Good
you're
evening,
traveling.
Baba. Good evening. Yes, I'm traveling, going for a quick
Thank you
shoot.
so much for sparing time for us. We are
Pleasure's
absolutely
all
glad to
mine,
be
Baba.
on this
Pleasure's all
call.
mine, Baba. And I must say that, when I was in college back in the day,
Yeah.
um, we never had the, you know, guts or the even a smallest of idea to have a film festival in our college or school. It was very, I mean, इतना दिमाग ही नहीं था. So yeah, what's happening, guys? What are you guys planning to do in this film festival? I really want to know.
So this year, since we are amidst a pandemic, we have this theme called Digital Red Carpet, and you are one of our first few. Uh, you know, so in general, Mitibai and Mittywood Film Festival gives all the students an opportunity to get in touch with industry professionals and understand their journey and learn, get a few insights which help them to pave their way towards the industry. So we'll have quizzes, trivia, contests, talk shows, getting in touch with celebrities like you, of course.
Thank you so much, man.
So that's
So yeah, tell me something. When you all thought of this idea, of course, ये digitally first year होगा.
yeah.
It's been otherwise, sorry, did you start this?
2019 onwards. So it's been a good entire year of doing this online and offline now. We do have short film screenings, documentary screenings. There's a lot going on, like
So
everything related to the media industry.
whose idea was this to start?
We have a bunch of very cool kids in our college who are currently the chair people of this entire organization.
I love the way you say I have some really cool kids in our college because you didn't kid yourself. So
Yeah.
I was like,
Personally, I think I'm an old soul, so all right, I'm not a kid anymore.
what kind of films do you like, Baba?
Anything that's humorous, anything that gets us going.
Okay.
So that's
you
how
watch
it is.
more of Indian cinema? Do you watch more of cinema? What cinema?
I don't have any preferences per se. But yeah, quite lately I've been enjoying a lot of OTT Indian cinema that has been going on and about.
Okay.
So, wow, it feels like you're interviewing me. This is
Of
like,
course, yeah.
I feel starstruck.
It's about films. That's about it. Your film, it's more about that. Otherwise, my audience is more what I'm films and what about this film festival where people should get to know more about this, and that can only happen.
Right.
So yeah.
Thank you so much for being here. So, when we asked our audience, we wanted to know a little bit more about your journey, get a few insights on how you had a breakthrough and how you have been, all along, what you did to get here. So,
Yeah, my journey of becoming a was quite zigzaggy, if I can kind of say that. Word. So,
your voice is cracking up a little bit.
I'm saying my
I think it's a connectivity issue.
Can you hear now?
Yeah, it's better.
Okay. My journey to become an actor, not a paid journey. I've done so many other things, sports or or radio or music.
Absolutely, we see a very versatile profile when we look at you.
I have a very straight journey. But having said that, I'm quite able to have this and achieve everything step by step. मतलब step by step में आता नहीं जाती. So I would say radio. If I have to really talk about radio, really helped. क्या नहीं था like. I was just out of college. Of course, I would require a different वहाँ पे अलग तरीके there was a lot. After I joined a radio, that's when I got confidence on. That's when I got to know. That's when I started creative, like writing. Only after radio I started. I started doing theatre. After I joined radio. So radio would be maybe the turning point, like the creative journey start. So yeah, I mean, I'm very thankful to that all of it happened.
That's great. That's great. That's great. I'm sorry I couldn't catch a few things. You're breaking up a little bit. I understand that you're traveling, so that's going to happen on and off.
Yeah.
So, what's your go-to movie genre?
Yeah, really, I love watching Blockbuster. But having said that, love post-space films. Yeah, sports is just the best in me. I recently saw a show on called Last Dance. Which is on basketball, the life of Chicago Bulls, life of Jordan and his. I'm in love. Never ever played basketball. Right? But yesterday I called for one. Glasgow Court. Yeah, practice. Them I tried and but I think sports ना हमेशा के लिए आपको बहुत and even if you're watching something जो sports के ऊपर होती है वो आपको हमेशा खींचता है. Let's do one thing, Baba. I think everybody's performance is get going. Let me
Yeah.
let me rejoin and
Yeah. Okay.
Abhijana is here. Hi. They must send the prettiest down. Love you. So let's get back again.
Yeah.
Let's see उसके
Go
बाद
ahead.
okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Bye, Baba.
Bye. I think if I disconnect my earphones, we might have a better time. Is Sir back with us? You know, it's really sweet how, although Sir's traveling, he's taken out time for us and he's so interactive. He's ready to answer questions, he's ready to walk us through how things are in the industry, he's ready to talk to us. It's absolutely sweet of him to do this for us. Alright, I have invited Sir back. Hi, am I audible to you?
Am I audible? You were audible earlier as well, but the voice was echoing. Let's see if it's still.
Alright, no, it's better. Yeah, I think there was some feedback from my end as well, which was causing a few issues.
Yeah.
So I just disconnected my earphones. Technology, you have to like roll with it.
But yeah, coming back to the fact that that radio really helped me. So
Okay.
I think that's where my creative journey started, and I'm really, I feel really blessed to have taken that journey, and I feel really blessed to be a part of the radio fraternity at some point of time, and I think my entire career I would want to kind of I owe it to all my radio colleagues and my seniors and my boss.
Right. So, looking at your profile, since it's
Yeah.
absolutely versatile, and I know that you sing, what's your favorite music genre? And could you sing a little bit for us?
Oh God, ये तो मुझे नहीं बताया गया था. Yeah, I love listening to a lot of ghazals. Watching musicals. I am more of a
Yeah.
I'm kind of I love listening to Punjabi songs. Yeah, I mean I have certain. I don't know. I'm starting okay. Good for you all then. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
कुड़िए विच नहीं हो मैं तेरा तेरे बिन नहीं कुड़ी कुड़िए आनी कुड़िए
Wow.
the
Thank
first
you.
composition
Thank you so much.
was it.
I'm really sorry. You're cracking up a little bit.
यार कभी भी इतना कभी भी आ रहा है कुछ तो myself
Sorry?
I can hear myself back.
All right. I think we just have to roll with it. So, all right. Quick few questions.
Tell me.
What kind of soft skills do you require to become a radio jockey?
I think if you're a people's person, I'm the thing. Not a hard and fast rule. Like Nikhil Chinappa, people's person. Aisha was a radio. You talk where so, but be a people's person. Phone call or other one. Secondly, your knowledge about me. Thirdly, it's really important to have good, really good, conversational skills. अब कोई भी इंसान आपको कॉल कर रहा है, आप पहली बार उससे बात कर रहे हो, आप मिले नहीं हो कभी उसको, so you really don't know that, where to start the conversation from. And the other person will always be very nervous and confused and all of it, because he's calling a radio jockey जिसको वो रोज सुनता है. So you really need to be the, जैसे party starters होते हैं, the conversation starter, and you should really kind of have that warmth to make the other person feel comfortable.
All right. I think personally that tip is going to help me a lot, considering I am trying to understand how the whole industry works. So thank you so much for that insight.
Pleasure's all mine, Baba. Before I leave, I really want to say one thing. Films is something which really, helps us change for better. I will not say that by watching a film you become a better human being or a bad human being, but the kind of books you read, the kind of films you watch, it definitely gives you a certain kind of understanding of the world. It makes you wiser. It makes you more aware. So I really want to say that, kudos to the entire team that you guys have taken this initiative to have a film festival of your own, where people can connect through films, where people can discuss films, they can talk cinema, and I'm sure, there'll be some young filmmakers, actors, writers, costume designers, art directors from your college or people around you who enjoy the and be happy about the fact and feel blessed about the fact that that's what we started in college, and that's what gave us the very first experience of films professionally.
Right.
So pleasure talking to you, and my big tight COVID-free virtual hug to everyone here. And just in case the sound is still lagging, so sorry about that. And,
No problem.
Yeah,
No problem.
but see you guys around. God bless you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for being here.
Bye, Baba. Take care.
Bye. Take care. Thank you everybody for joining us. It was an amazing live. We are really sorry for any kind of technical errors that we faced through the event. That's just how it is these days. Sometimes your Wi-Fi helps you, sometimes it doesn't. So, a big thank you to Apashakti sir for being here with us. Not just that, thank you so much Middywood Film Festival for giving all of us this opportunity to get to know him a little bit better. Let's hope that we get to see him offline and once again online for sure. Alright? For all of those of you who are looking for anything traveling related, go check out our sponsors, Hiker Wolf. For those of you looking for website solutions, you can go and check out Neuromonk. And for those of you looking for comfy sweaters like me, you can go check out Bonkers Corner. Thank you so much and have a great day.